If your Emerson thermostat is stuck, not following temperature settings, or showing strange behavior, it's usually not a hardware failure, it's a system glitch. Thermostats constantly store schedules, preferences, and system data, and when something conflicts, the whole unit can stop responding properly. You might adjust settings and see no change, or the screen may freeze entirely. That's when a hard reset becomes the most effective fix. It clears everything and brings the thermostat back to its default state so you can start fresh. Just keep in mind, your saved schedules will be erased, so you'll need to set them again. Let's go step by step. Try these. 1. Turn off your HVAC system from the thermostat or breaker. 2. Remove the thermostat from its wall plate carefully. 3. Take out the batteries from the back of the unit. 4. Wait briefly to allow all stored power to discharge. 5. Reinsert the batteries and mount the thermostat back. 6. Turn the system on and begin fresh setup.